Hey everybody, it's Spencer with Barwood Cabinets. Monday morning mistakes with cabinets and design. We're looking at a vanity section, and they have a cabinet in the center separating the mirrors that sits on the countertop. It's a great look. Here's a little tip that you could use. Raise this cabinet up about an inch, inch and a half, and then you have a piece of trim that goes around the bottom to cover that void or that space between the two. Why do this? One, you can raise this up and not have to have your installer come back and install it later. You can do the trim yourself, very simple to do. Number two, if they have water that splashes from the sink, it'll hit that trim. So if you ever have to replace them, you don't have to replace the whole cabinet. You can just replace that trim underneath. Very cost effective. So again, raise it about an inch, inch and a half over the countertop, and then cover that space or that void with trim. Hope this helps you out, and see you next week.